There was some major flooding today in Abilene. Some people took to kayaking the roads. Others tried driving, and without much success.
Yeah, the fire department had a busy day. They had to get out there and take care of a lot of folks who did what this person did, driving through the water. So they had some water rescues to take care of. More than 7 inches of rain fell in Abilene today. Closer to home, we're expecting scattered showers overnight. Fox 4 meteorologist Ali Turiano joining us now, and I know when you see this video, Ali, it just makes you cringe. How can people drive through this?
Completely, especially after the April and May we had. I think we should know a little better by now. If you see a lot of water on the road, you really cannot tell just how deep it is. That's why we always say turn around, don't drown. And it was areas closer to Abilene that had anywhere from 6 to 8 inches of rain. Radar estimated rainfall in our western counties, western sections of Palo Pinto and then up into Young County. We saw closer to 1 and 2 inches of rain earlier today. I do think we'll get to add on to this as the night goes on, but a lot of locations will receive less than an inch. It's just areas west that we're most concerned with. Our flash flood watch includes Grayson, Denton, Tarrant, Hood County, Points westward, and that's until noon tomorrow. Dallas as well as Collin, you're not in this, and that goes for everyone east and southeast as well. Areas like Waxahachie, Athens, Corsicana, you do not have this flash flood watch. Your rain chances will be a little bit lower, and it's all because of the timing of a little piece of energy coming in overnight and where this front is located. It is still just west of the Metroplex. So as we go through the next few hours, we're going to see a lot of energy come in, and when that happens, we'll have enough lift in the atmosphere to produce more showers and thunderstorms around this boundary. And I think a lot of this wet weather will be in parts of Palo Pinto, Wise County, and Points westward in the next couple of hours. Eventually, it's going to try and migrate a little bit eastward. So Fort Worth, Denton, Plano, Dallas, you're not out of the woods completely, but I still think some of that heavier precipitation will be just to your west. Right now, tracking some thunderstorms through Breckenridge, pushing up into Graham. Movement with this activity tonight is to the north and east. We have spotty showers through parts of Palo Pinto, Jack, and Wise County, moving up into Montague as well. None of this severe, which is always a good thing. In our eastern counties, the storms are winding down, and they're still moving off to the north and east, heading into East Texas. So severe threat, very low for us tonight. Could have some gusty winds and some lightning with the storms. We're pretty much used to that at this point, but it's the flooding concern that will really be an issue through the overnight and into tomorrow morning. Temperatures much cooler where we've had rain, with lower 70s, mid 70s into Graham and Breckenridge, but still a lot of 80s around Dallas and Fort Worth. Coverage at about 50% going through the overnight, higher north and west, more scattered east of the Metroplex. And even tomorrow morning, I still think we'll have a lot of water on the roads and still some activity out there. It's not until Wednesday afternoon that we'll start to decrease coverage of those showers and thunderstorms. By tomorrow night, everything is out of here, and then we start to dry things out. So models in relative agreement with a lot of this wet weather just to the west of the Metroplex going through the overnight, training thunderstorms one after the other in the same location. That's a bad thing. That's when we start to see those flooding concerns and water ponding up pretty quickly. And it looks like that's what we're really going to see through the overnight and into tomorrow morning. Notice by the afternoon we'll get some breaks. We are expecting temperatures back generally into the upper 80s, about 90 degrees, I think, in a lot of locations. If you have a lot of sun by tomorrow afternoon, mainly east and southeast of the Metroplex, you'll be much warmer than folks that have had rain for hours and hours. How much rain are we expecting at DFW? Models have lowered some since earlier today. I think less than an inch of rain is what we can expect. All right, here are the next 7 days with your AccuWeather 4-1 forecast. Once this moves out of here, high pressure builds in for the rest of the week, and that just means lots of sunshine and big time heat, triple digits possible early next week.